Hello class, this is the class for the class 10th maths, and here we will study the second chapter, polynomial. So what do you understand by the polynomial, and we will going to discuss the type of polynomial and then come to the some results for the polynomials and take the exercise. Now come to the point, what is polynomial? तो व्हाट इज पॉलिनोमियल? बेटा पॉलिनोमियल होता क्या है? पॉलिनोमियल इज algebraic expression. Polynomial is an algebraic expression which contain two or more terms. Two or more terms, then it will be then expression says to be polynomial. Let's example, if we have write now going to 2x plus 1. Here we see in this example, here we have two terms, 2x and 1, and other example, let ax square plus bx. Here we again an expression ax square plus bx, it is the also polynomial, and ax in this expression we have also had two terms. If we write it, then it is in the three terms, 1, 2, 3 terms. And now come to the general form of the polynomial. If we write f of x, some function a to power a naught and a1 x1 s to power 1 beta and a2 s to power x square and a3 x cube, similarly a to power a n x to power of n. So this is the general form of polynomial, nth power of polynomial expression. And here if we write any polynomial, let this expression ax square plus bx plus c, then highest power of this expression is said to be degree of polynomial. Here the degree of polynomial is 2. इस एक्सप्रेशन में इस पॉलिनोमियल की डिग्री कितनी है? 2. अगर आपके पास कोई अनदर एक्सप्रेशन मान लो 5f(x) कोई भी लेट 6x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x to power 5 plus 7. तो here in this expression the highest power of expression जो भी होगा वो आपका डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल है. इधर 5, तो 5 इज द डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल ऑफ दिस एक्सप्रेशन. सो नाउ सम कम द टॉपिक. तो व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल, द हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ polynomial expression is called degree of polynomial. And now come under some equation, linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation. Now from the another type of polynomial, linear polynomial. So what is linear polynomial? If the degree, if any you have any polynomial and then degree of polynomial is 1. If the degree of polynomial is 1, then it is the linear polynomial. Degree means the highest power of the variable. तो मान लो आपको 2x plus 1 है, तो इसमें बेटा x की पावर कितना है? 1 है. तो यहाँ पे आपका क्या होगा? या x minus 4. तो ये क्या है बेटा? ये आपका लीनियर इक्वेशन है. बिकॉज हेयर द हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ बेटा यहाँ पे x आपका क्या होगा? जब भी अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन होता है उसमें सब कुछ आपको वेरिएबल मिलते हैं, कुछ कांस्टेंट मिलते हैं. तो हम वेरिएबल आपके यहाँ पे x है और s का हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ x इज 1 है. सो इट इज़ द लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. if the degree of polynomial 2, if the degree of polynomial is 2, 2, then it is said to be quadratic polynomial. बेटा इसमें देखो आपके पास you have a two variable x and y, and here the highest power x is 2 also, 2, and highest power of y is 2 also. Here the highest power of x is 2 and y is also 2, so it is said to be the quadratic polynomial. Take another example. Let ax square plus bx plus c. In this expression, the highest power of x is 2, that is the degree of polynomial is 2, so it is said to be, if degree of polynomial is 2, so then it is the quadratic equation. If the degree of polynomial is 3, degree means you can better understand the highest power of variable. Let's an example. Let a is equal to let 3. Let's take it for the cubic. Here let's take another example. Here the a to the power of x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here a is not equal to 0. If a is 0, then this term is also 0. Then highest power of x is not 3. Then it became 2. So for this a is not equal to 0. It is an essential condition for this. Then this is the, and here the degree of polynomial is 3 because the highest power x is 3. So it is a cubic polynomial, and if the degree of polynomial is 4, then that is the biquadratic polynomial. That is biquadratic polynomial. Here we classify all this expression on the basis of degree of the polynomial. If we divide the polynomial on the basis of terms, then it will also be divided into many times. If the term, another example, the another basis is on the basis of term. To the term, if we write ax plus 2, here in this expression, in this algebraic equation has two terms. First ax and second is 2. So this is the term. This is called the term. If we write ax plus b plus c, in this expression has 3 terms, ax, b and c. So on the basis of term, we divide the polynomial in the following way. First is mononomial. If the term of polynomial is 1, then it is mononomial. अगर किसी भी पॉलिनॉमियल का सिर्फ एक ही टर्म होगा तो वो आपका मोनोनॉमियल होता है. मान लीजिए x हो गया या 2x हो गया या 4y हो गया, तो दिस इज द मोनोनॉमियल्स. या मान लो आपको 7x स्क्वायर हो गया, दिस इज द मोनोनॉमियल टर्म. इफ you have an expression having 2 terms, then it is binomial terms. Get 2x plus 1, this is the binomial terms. Another example is x plus 5 or 7x square plus 1. So if you have an expression having 2 terms, then it is binomial, and any algebraic expression having 3 terms, then it is trinomial. So trinomial a x square plus bx plus c. Here in this equation have 3 terms. This is the trinomial equation. And 0 polynomial. Again, what is 0 polynomial? 0 polynomial, if 0 is said to be 0 polynomial, and it is also written as a polynomial whose coefficient are 0. Any polynomial whose coefficient are 0, then it is said to be 0 polynomial. Let you have expression 0x square plus 0x. So what if you multiply x square from 0, you also get 0, and here you also get that this is the equation, this will be equal to the 0. So any 0 polynomial is can be written as this, and the constant polynomial, if you have any polynomial only with the only constant, that polynomial is said to be constant polynomial. Let root 2, 7, 5, there is no any variable, then it is said to be constant polynomial. Then on the basis of term, you divide the polynomial in the following way: mononomial having only one term, binomial having two terms, trinomial having three terms, geonomial having zero, and the variable the constant of variable is must be zero, and the fifth one is your constant polynomial. In this here you have a polynomial with the constant only. Now we will going to take the solve the example and exercise in next lecture. Thank you.